Class 7 Civics Chapter 2 Role of the Government in Health. In a democratic country, people expect the government to work for their welfare. It can be related to health, education, employment, housing, or the development of roads, electricity, etc. Inside this chapter, we are going to study about the health. What is health? Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. But health is not only about disease. Some of the other factors that affect our health, for example, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. People should get sufficient food to eat. So these all are the main factors that why most of the people are not healthy in our country. Just lack of clean drinking water, or might be they are not getting sufficient water, or might be where they are staying, that area is not clean. Just because of this, they were affected by the malaria. So there are so many various reasons that why people are not healthy in our country. If we will see our country, what are the positive aspects what government are doing for the healthcare in India? So the positive points which we will see that are point number one, largest number of medical colleges are there in our country. So in India, we can see so many largest number of medical colleges are open. Next point, in India, we having more than so many new hospitals are opening nowadays. So many new hospitals are open. So it's a good positive point for our country. Third point, large number of medicals for tourists from many countries. They compare it with the best in the world. So finally, so many large number of medical tourists are coming in our country and for the medicine, and after being improved from here, they are comparing from the other countries of hospitals, and they are telling that India's hospitals are much more best comparatively the other countries. Fourth point, India is the third largest producer of medicines in the world and also a large exporter of medicine. So in India, so many medicines where people are making, and that's why it's coming under the third largest producer in medicines. And even we used to sell our medicine to the different countries. So we're having the large number of exporters of medicines also. And the next hand side, when we'll see some negative aspect of our country related to the health issues, what we will see, let's continue. Point number one, most of the doctors, those who are getting this doctor degree, and just after that, they don't want to settle in rural areas. They all just want to move towards the urban area. And that's the reason this rural people have to travel long distance to just reach to a doctor. So this is the problem which rural people are facing. Second point, almost 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year. So each year this malaria cases are coming and it's not decreasing till now. Third point, we are unable to provide clean drinking water to all. So most of the people are getting are being unhealthy just because of this, that they are not getting a clean drinking water, and just because of this they are facing so many diseases. Fourth point, half of the children are not getting sufficient food to eat. So these are the main problems which we are seeing in our country, that why people are not so healthy. So, if in India people want to be healthy, for that we need healthcare facilities such as health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood banks, etc., that can provide the required care and services that patients need. In order to run such facilities, we need health workers, for example, like nurses, qualified doctors, and other health professionals who can advise, diagnose, and treat illness. We all need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patients. These facilities are required to take care of us. So students, when we will compare the two different graph what we had discussed before about the positive aspect of the healthcare in our country and the negative aspect. So we had seen that the positive are too good. So many doctors are there. So many new medical colleges are open. Our country here so many people are coming from different countries for their treatment. Our country is a good for making medicines, but the some another point that we have seen for the negative where people are not getting sufficient food to eat, they are not getting drinking water. Even the rural people, they have to travel such a long for their treatment, where so many cases of malaria are coming. It means that still problems are there in our country, so we need to be do some more improvement. If we will see the different point of view from government side, government had opened so many government hospitals, and the another hand side, so many private hospitals are there. So we are going to discuss about one story. It is a story of Hakim Seth. He is a member of Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti, an organization of agriculture laborers in West Bengal. One day in evening in the year of 1992, when he was coming back while this running train, accidentally he fallen down and he was injured. He suffered with the head injuries. He was very serious condition and needed immediate treatment. When he went in a government hospital in Kolkata, on that time, government hospital doctors they refused while telling that they don't have extra bed, empty bed. While he went in the another hospital and there also some another excuses. So finally he just changes so many hospitals on that moment and that serious condition. In this way he spent 14 hours in a critical state and was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but none of them admitted him. Finally he spent a lot of money and admitted himself in a private hospital. While in that private hospital he have to pay a lot of money for the treatment in that private hospital. He was much more angry and upset over of he just tried in the case for the return of the some money for this what happened with him. So Hakim said and he tried a case, but they failed this case in court. When we see the another story of this chapter, that is the cost of a cure, where two different friends are there. One is Aman and the another is Ranjan. They both are very good friends. While Ranjan comes from a well-to-do the family, a well-developed family, and the another Aman's parents have to struggle for their livelihood. So where this Aman and the another Ranjan, they both are friends. After a long break, when they both meet, they both are doing discussion. I had a viral fever. That Aman he's telling, I had a viral fever, and that's why I was unable to come, and I went to the hospital. And that same thing that his friend he was also telling in Ranjan, that I was also having the fever and I also went in a private hospital. That private hospital was too large. It was looking like a five-star hotel. I went with my dad, and my dad and he just paid 500 amount for just receptionist for entering inside the hospital before meeting to the a doctor. So it was too good, too large. Music was playing and everything was so neat and clean. I was so happy while going there. When I met to this nurse, there was so many checking was going on, and she was so good. She was talking to me and I don't feel even any pain when she was putting injection in my body. Afterwards after taking the report, we met to the doctor, and doctor just given me medicines while telling this pink tablet you have to eat and 3 times in a day, this tablet you have to eat at night, and this syrup is much more tasty, you have to drink. So like this, it was too good when I came back from there. And what about you? So on that time, Aman he told that okay, where I went, that hospital was not too large as like your opinion, as like your hospital. So we had seen that the difference. Like Ranjin, he came from a rich family, so he went in a private hospital where the treatment was too good. But the another hand side is that Aman, who belongs to the middle class family or poor family, and he went in a government hospital. First of all, that Aman, he's telling his story that even my parents didn't want to take me towards the hospital because there was such a long queue. Finally, when we went in that hospital, that government hospital, that line was too long near the OPD center. So many people were there, and at last, when my turn came, they told me for the examined me. They examined a little bit, and they just told me for the blood test. Finally, after this blood test, when it came, while coming, took total 3 days while coming for the test report. And afterwards, again when they went, again they have to stand in the queue near the OPD. If finally when they met to the doctor, she just given one she just told that same viral fever you were also happening, and just because of this she given them one medicine, and just she told afterwards you will be good. You don't have anything, you are fine now. So the doctor given the medicine, which was a fever reducing medicine, and afterwards he came back. So they both friends were doing discussion, and now Ranjan, he's telling my hospital was so nice, but they gave me so many medicines, and the whole thing in cost quite a lot. So this was the story about these two different friends. One, those who is telling that I went in a private hospital where the cost was too high, the hospital was too good, and I got so many medicines. And the another inside where Aman, telling that I went in a government hospital, my treatment did not cost so much, that cost was so less comparatively his friends. So this was the story till now. Rest we will continue in the next part. Thank you.